Hello again. This is an alarm system I've taken off of my garage in my home. The garage is about to go through a complete refurb, new roof, new electrics, and all sorts of things. And this was completely in the way. It was useless. The alarm did sound a couple of times, but I don't know why it did it. This is a Optima XM. It looks like it's 1990s-ish, sort of. Not entirely sure. It has been well thumbed by the looks of it. You might be able to work out the numbers. 4, 2, 1, 5, 6, 9, something like that. I do have the codes written down somewhere. I just never really used it. It's got a siren at the bottom. Lovely ergonomics of the 1990s. Yeah, plugs into the mains, and it's also got a battery inside as well. Let me just... Oh, it also does 4 zones as well. It's got an attack, a tamper, and a day. It's even got a microprocessor. We might see that in a minute, in a few seconds. So this is the inside of it. So we have a battery, 12-volt battery, transformer, which then feeds this circuit board. There were a couple of wires going to it. I think it was an LED flasher on the top of the garage and a reed switch on the door. So if the door was opened, it would go off. There's the processors. It looks like a ST Microelectronics ADD 900. Some sort of glue chips. Looks like Phillips. Feel free to go and look up and find out what they are. There's a Motorola chip there. Then we've got the keypad, and then all the connections. So you're going to get all the voltages coming in, the strobe light, and then you've got various configurations. You've got zone 1, which is going to be the reed switch on the door. I've disconnected the battery. I don't particularly want it to go off. It's reasonably late out in my shed. This was replaced. This is not the original battery. This was replaced March 2017. I've checked the battery. It's got nice healthy voltage on it. Made sure it's all good. So I'll probably reuse this. Do I really want to take any of these chips off or something? I don't know. Don't know whether it's even remotely worth it. Yeah. It's that's the tamper switch, so if somebody takes the cover off, it will then start whistling and moaning and groaning and all sorts. I think we can take this off. There we go. Warning, mains voltage. So yeah, that's it. Got a little transformer here. Is there anything underneath that? No, not really. Looks like there's a... If I zoom in there, that resistor looks a bit burnt. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we are. That resistor looks a bit burnt. So we've got some diodes of some sort. Yeah, it's pretty old school. Let's just turn it around. What are these? Difficult to see. There we go. More ST Microelectronics tip 121, tip 121s. Yep, they're all tip 121s. There we go. Go and look them up, have some fun. I'm not. This is going straight in the bin. That's it really. On the back you've got two sirens by the looks of it, some sort of piezoelectric unit on the back. There's one of these in my front porch which is connected to the main house alarm, which I don't use. It's a bit rubbish. I need to remove it and get rid of it. So this is come on, focus, you fuck. Let me try and go in a little bit. There we go. A Kaniti KSB 1A. The one in the house did go off, and it's bloody painful in the ears. So I was quite close to it. And the main bullhorn is a KS42 110A. I wonder what the B was. Right, 9109. It's been in the garage for decades, so absolutely decades. But yep, little speaker there, probably just for the beeps for the when you're pressing the buttons. So that's it really. Just a quick demolition and show and tell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.